Characteristics of a high-quality thesis. The title clearly reflects the focus and the argument. A significant and substantial problem has been selected for investigation. There is an early statement of the project aims. The project presents a considerable advance on existing knowledge. The thesis demonstrates a systematic pursuit of a consistent line of inquiry. It is well planned and executed, with each section clearly building on the last. That is, there is a coherent and unifying macro-level structure. There is clear signposting and linking between paragraphs, sections, and chapters. It consistently, but not repetitively, reminds the reader of the purpose, argument, or overall thrust of the thesis. The literature review is critical and evaluative, and sets forth an argument for why and how the study should be conducted. The discussion of the rationale for selecting a methodology and method, including up-to-date methodological literature, is balanced. The ground setting is sophisticated and appropriate, including exposition of underlying assumptions, and relevance to the research aim. The research design is appropriate and allows the questions to be answered. There is a meticulous account of the procedure. A rich variety of evidence is employed to develop a balanced argument. Advanced analytical skills are used to demonstrate a deep understanding of the problem. A clear chain of evidence is laid down. The discussion is disciplined and not excessively speculative. Conclusions are well drawn and convincing. They relate the outcomes back to the research aims. Clear and strong knowledge claims are made about the exact contributions of the thesis. Key concepts or variables are clearly defined and consistently used throughout. Written expression is elegant, precise, and economical. There is evidence of systematic proofreading and error correction. Make sure that all the given points are there in your thesis to make it a high-quality thesis.